Hey everyone, I'm Jake Milstein from Critical Insight Cybersecurity. So we do a healthcare breach report a couple of times a year, and our breach report is just about done for 2021. Really interesting findings in there. It'll be out on the morning of the 31st of January. Joining me right now is one of the contributors, John Delano, longtime healthcare CIO. John, what do you see in there?
Hey, Jake, appreciate it. Continue to see increased attacks on healthcare, and the data is certainly interesting. I look forward to digging into that data from the second half of 2021 with you on the webinar.
Awesome. And that webinar is coming up on February 10th. It's 12:30 Pacific, 2:30 Central, 3:30 Eastern. You can get the report on our website, criticalinsight.com, starting on the 31st, and then you can sign up for the webinar on our events page. We look forward to seeing you there, and see you soon. Thanks, John.
Thank you.